Let's try to understand RAG in 60 seconds. Imagine you have a PDF with 500 pages and you need some information only from page number 100. Now you can't just send all 500 pages to ChatGPT or any LLM. It will be slow, it will be expensive, and the model can even get confused or start hallucinating answers. So how do we force a model to only use right information to answer our question? That's where the RAG or retrieval augmented generation comes in. RAG has two main phases, indexing and retrieval. In the indexing phase, we first chunk the document into smaller, meaningful pieces. Then each chunk goes into the embedding model, which converts that text into embeddings. Now, these are mathematical vectors that represent the text actual meaning in the mathematical form. We store these vectors in vector databases like Pinecone or ChromaDB, along with some metadata like page number, chunk ID, and all that. Now, when the user asks a question, the query is also converted into a vector using the same embedding model. Then we run a similarity search on the vector database to find the chunks that are closest in meaning to the user's question. The system returns the most relevant chunks, usually the top 3 or the top 5. Finally, we send the user's question plus those relevant chunks to the model. Now the model generates the right answer for your question using your own documents instead of making some random guesses. And that's the RAG in 60 seconds.